Description: RGB backlight and macro. Programmable software. AULA F75 RGB gaming keyboard has multiple RGB backlit modes that you can easily switch with simple shortcuts. You can make your RGB effects with the included software. With the software, all kinds of keyboard key functions could be set, macro recorded, and personalize your function keys as you wish. The onboard flash memory unit could save the configuration to the keyboard if offline. Hot swappable PCB, compatible with 3-pin 5-pin switch. F75 is equipped with hot swappable PCB to ensure free replacement or change of switches. It is compatible with most 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches. Pre-installed, the pre-lubed custom switches, providing unrivaled tactile responsiveness with up to 60 million keystroke lifespan. Multi-device and wireless connection. F75 Bluetooth wireless keyboard supports USB wired, 2.4G wireless, and Bluetooth 5.0 connection. A good option for users who has multiple devices. It's compatible with laptop, iPad, iOS, Windows, Mac, or Android OS, and everything that matches the product. Gasket structure with excellent noise reduction. F75 Gamer Mechanical Keyboard is a high-end, gasket-mounted keyboard with a PC plate. The keyboard also has a 5 layers premium silicone pads and noise reduction cotton to reduce 95% hollow noise, a Bose typing noise, and enhance the unique soft and comfortable rebound of the gasket structure. Thank you.